Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add a payment method on your Ecwid store. First, open your Ecwid store and log in. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the payment option on the left side and click on it. This will take you to the payment settings page. Here, you can see that no payment methods have been set up yet. Let's add PayPal as an example. To do this, scroll down until you see Other Ways to Get Paid. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, look for PayPal or any other payment that you want to add. Once you have found the PayPal option, click on it. This will open a new window. Fill out your PayPal account information, and that's it. Now, PayPal is set up as your payment method. Next, let's add a manual payment method. Click on Add Manual Payment. Here, you'll enter the name of the payment method and instructions for your customers at checkout. For example, this could be a bank transfer or cash on delivery. Enter the details clearly so your customers know how to complete the payment. You can also explore other payment processes depending on your country, or choose alternative payment methods like Visa or MasterCard by following a similar process. Just select the option you want to enable and complete the required setup. And that's it. You've successfully added payment methods to your Ecwid store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.